Dear children, we have studied different types of machines and now how these machines should be maintained and why they should be maintained. That is very important point because when we use them frequently at that time, there is wear and tear of these machines and they should be maintained properly so that they should work in and they should be in good condition. So, maintenance of machines we are going to study now, and in that first point is machines how to be maintained. So, we have to study why they should be maintained. If you are asked, give reasons. Machines have to be maintained because parts of machines rub against each other due to its frequent use. Frequently we use them, and because of that these parts of machines, they rub against each other. See, they rub against each other. There is friction between these parts of machines, and that's why they should be maintained. Also, soil, dusty parts, they create more friction. If there is the presence of soil particles in the parts of machines as well as they are dusty, then at that time they create more friction, and because of that the parts get damaged earlier. Then due to weather, some parts rust and erode. Due to the bad weather, because of the humidity, moist conditions in weather, what happens? There are water vapors in weather, and because of that there may be rusting as well as erosion of the parts. Now, what is rusting? In Marathi it is called ganzne. See, see this door, it is of metal, but it is painted with the paint, oil paint. Why? Because this oil paint, the covering of oil paint, it because when we paint the metallic parts with oil paint, if these metallic parts are not painted, what happens? There is rusting of these metallic parts. The rusting means when these metals, iron comes in contact with the oxygen in the air, at that time there is formation of iron oxide, red colored iron oxide. If you see properly, the metallic parts, those are exposed to the air at that time. After some days they become rusted. That means there is the formation of the layer of iron oxide on it, and that is nothing but rusting. To avoid this, to avoid the direct contact of iron with the oxygen in the air, there is the oil paint that is applied on these metallic parts, and because of that there is avoiding of rusting as well as erosion of the metallic parts. That's why they should be painted. Then due to weather, due to wear and tear, machines get damaged. Due to the frequent use, there is wear and tear. Wear and tear means jizune, and because of that machines get damaged, they become useless, and that's why their maintenance is required frequently. Okay, you must have understood the points that explain machines have to be maintained properly. Now, these machines should be maintained, okay, no doubt, but how they should be maintained? What should be done to maintain them? That we will see. How can machines be maintained? All the parts are wiped clean. They should be cleaned properly. The parts should be wiped clean. Then oil or lubricant is released between the parts that rub against each other. When these parts that rub against each other, then at that time what should be done? oiling should be done between these parts that rub against each other. There is friction between these parts and they should be oiled, because of oiling what happens? The friction is reduced and they run smoothly. Machines are covered when not in use. When the machines are not in use, they should be covered. Why? Because due to covering these machines, the dust particles or soil particles, they cannot sit on these parts of the machines. Then metallic parts are painted externally. Just now I have explained why they should be painted externally. Because due to painting, the direct contact between the parts of machines and the oxygen in the air will be avoided and there will be no formation of oxides, iron oxides or other. Then machines are always kept dry because the dry parts, they will not be eroded or rusted. In this way, we should take care of machines and we should maintain the machines properly. Thank you.